Welcome to a journey into the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. In a world where technology evolves at a rapid pace, the realms of AI and automation are at the forefront of innovation. From collaborative robots revolutionizing manufacturing to AI-powered assistants enhancing daily tasks, the possibilities seem boundless. Embrace the transformative potential of robotics as we dive into the trends shaping tomorrow's landscape. Witness the synergy of human ingenuity and technological advancement, paving the way for a smarter and more efficient future. As we peer into the horizon of automation, the integration of AI promises to redefine industries and reshape our world. Join us on this exploration of boundless opportunities and limitless possibilities within the realm of robotics and AI. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries and unveil the wonders of what's next in the exciting world of automation and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Final YouTube sign-off sentence.